Hello, hi everyone. I am your Badachi. Now I am going to share with you probable conditional sentences in English. Dear students, please try to know probable conditional sentences, how they are used in English. First of all, these probable conditional sentences normally called conditional sentence type 1. Normally, people would like to call conditional sentence type 1, or people may also call them first conditional sentence. First conditionals or first conditional sentences. Okay, these are different names we use for probable conditional sentence. Probable conditional sentence type 1, or first conditionals or first conditional sentences. Names are same, meanings are same. Okay, though the names are different, meanings are same. For example, see here. If you study well, you will pass. If you study well, you will pass. You know that conditional sentence will consist of two clauses. One is conditional clause, and the second one is the main clause. Conditional clause and the main clause. This is conditional clause. You know that conditional clause normally begins with if, and the main clause normally begins with subject. Normally not, it begins with subject. Okay? Here, as far as probable conditional sentence is concerned, conditional clause will be in simple present tense. Conditional clause will be in simple present tense. Okay? Here, if is conjunction showing condition, and after if, subject is there. Subject is followed by base form. Or if the subject is singular, main verb will be in yes form. Here, subject plus base form or yes form will be there. Okay? And the main clause, the subject of main clause is you here. You is plural. And it will be followed by modal, secondary helping verb. Right? Here, subject plus you may use will, and you may use may, or you may use even can. After will, may, can, you may use again what? Base form. Here, conditional clause indicates one condition. If it happens, this will happen. It's probable. It indicates probability. If this condition is fulfilled here, this will happen. means if you study well, you will pass. And one more example, if he studies, here he is singular and main verb is in yes form, study, studies. If he studies well, you know that, comma, he will pass. He will pass. He may pass. He can pass. Okay? If he studies well, he will pass. He may pass. He can pass. If this condition is fulfilled, the result will be this one. And you know that conditional clause and may clause will be replaced. It means main clause may come first and conditional clause may come the next. For example, you may write, he will pass if he studies well. Meaning is same. The sentence order is changed. Here we have used the main clause first and the conditional clause next. You know that when you write the conditional clause after the main clause, then there is no need of using comma after the main clause. I hope this point is clear. And here one more thing you have to keep in mind. Conditional clause, as it is in present tense normally, sometimes it can be replaced by, see here, second point, if plus there may be present continuous. Instead of simple present tense, you may use present continuous or present perfect tense. For example, if you are studying well, what? You will pass. The main clause remains the same. It will have the helping verb will plus infinitive. But in conditional clause, we are using present continuous tense. You can use, no problem. This is possible here. Again, interchange is possible. You will pass if you are studying well. Okay? Then, if you have invited her, what will happen? She will attend the function. If you have invited her, she will attend the function. She is the subject of the main clause. Will plus original form can be used. Again, interchange is possible. She will attend the function if you have invited her. And you can use even present perfect continuous tense. For example, if they have been practicing well, they will win the match. If they have been practicing well, they'll win the match. I hope this point is clear. Dear students, I'd like to share one more thing with you. See, what I would like to share with you is even sometimes if clause, I mean conditional clause, may consist of, for example, if you would like to, if you would like to, if you would like to see my school, if you would like to see my school, our teacher, our teacher, our teacher will, our teacher will take you there. If you would like to see my school, our teacher will take you there. If you would like to see my school, our teacher will take you there. Please remember, here would like to means want. It means if you want to see my school, our teacher will take you there. Understand? Then, if they would like to, if they would like to learn English, if they would like to learn English, I will teach them. If they would like to learn English, I will teach them. I hope this point is clear. Here, would like to means want. If they want to learn English, I will teach them. Sometimes you know that here, if clause may consist of even should. If you should, if you should, if you should, if you should earn money, if you should earn money, I'll help you. Instead of simple present tense, you may use even should. It means simple present tense is replaced by should. Simple present tense is replaced by would like to. Simple present tense in conditional clause will be replaced by present continuous or present perfect tense. And dear students, sometimes in main clause, instead of future tense, you may use even imperatives. For example, if you meet Ravi, here it is simple present tense. This is conditional clause which is in simple present tense. Okay? If you meet Ravi, ask him to return my books. Ask him to return my books. Here, this is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence which is given here is positive. You may pass even negative imperative, like if you meet Ravi, don't ask him to return my books. Okay? If you meet Ravi, don't ask him to return my books. And you may add even what? Request, like politeful request. If you meet Ravi, please ask him to attend my class. To attend my class. Okay? If you meet him, please ask him to attend my class. I hope this point is clear. Dear students, I hope you have understood something about probable conditional sentences, how they are used, and what changes we can make in conditional clauses, and how the main clauses can be used in English. Thank you so much for watching my video. And if this video has helped you in understanding conditional clauses, especially probable conditional sentence, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel for all my videos. And with one more interesting video, I'd like to see you all next time. Till then, bye.